How to find relationship settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find the relationship settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then go down, click settings, and here you will find the profile information. Click on it and go down until you find the relationship. Here you can manage your relationship settings. Just click this pin here and you can remove it or you can change it if you want, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.